Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria, is a vibrant and charming place offering a rich blend of history, culture and natural beauty. Stunning drone footage of the city's landmarks allows viewers to see the beauty and charm of Sofia from above. Sofia's tourism industry is steadily growing in popularity due to its accessibility and variety of activities. Visitors can explore the city's thriving artistic life by visiting art galleries and museums, or enjoy traditional Bulgarian cuisine at local restaurants and markets. Travelers often praise Sofia for its friendly locals and warm hospitality. The combination of the city's modern infrastructure and historical charm creates a unique atmosphere that attracts visitors. Sofia thus offers a delightful combination of cultural heritage, natural beauty, and warm hospitality. If you are interested in history, outdoor activities, or simply immersing yourself in the local culture, this charming city should be visited.